Hello, I am from An Easy Step to English Grammar, and today's topic of discussion is vocabulary. And you may ask me, why should I deal with vocabulary? Because vocabulary or selection of word or your stock of word will help you to discuss a topic without any hesitation, without any fumbling, without any mental stress or strain, etc. And I don't want to make my introduction lengthy. I just want to enter my content. My first example is unequivocal. Then what is unequivocal? Unequivocal means that has no double meaning or that doesn't contain double meaning. As for example, the witches in Macbeth told the general equivocal words. They did not tell him unequivocal predictions or prophecies. Similarly, ambiguous. Ambiguous means having double meaning. You don't want to say that I have the words having double meanings. What will you say? You will say that my words are unambiguous. That means my words does not contain double meaning. As for example, this passage unambiguously states that health is wealth. This passage unambiguously emphasizes on the truth that honesty is the best policy. Clear? Unambiguous. So, unequivocal, unambiguous, all these are single words, and single words are words which will help you to make a précis, because you do not want to use a lot of words to express yourself, because English language has its masculinity and has its business-like attitude. The Englishmen never speak a lot of words to express an object or to explain an object or an incident or an environment. So I have given you two words, unequivocal and unambiguous. Clear? Now I am telling you a sentence. Since the creation of this world, there is a deep relation, or there is a close relation between human beings and trees, between human beings and nature. And you may express this idea, there is an umbilical relation between man and nature. Clear? Then what is umbilical? umbilical. What is umbilical? It is a cord a cord between the baby and the mother. A baby and the mother when the baby is in mother's womb. That is why to suggest a deep relation, to suggest a close relation, you may use the word umbilical. Clear? So vocabularies or stock of words or good English depends upon your stock of words. Clear? Another example I am giving. For example, the little girl has worn many bangles and there is a rhythmical sound or a musical sound as a result of the collision of the bangles. It's a long expression. You will have to state, you will have to tell us a long drawn sentence. The little girl has worn some bangles and a very sweet musical sound is being produced as a result of the collision of the bangles. Then what will you say when you are making a précis? You will have to say, the little girl has worn the bangles which are tinkling. Which are tinkling. 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 That means producing a very rhythmical or musical sound. So single word has a special significance, has an important role in expressing yourself. Tinkling. Then another word I am telling you. Just you may watch the video without skipping a single word or a single sentence. For example, handle this box with care because it contains many mirrors which are brittle, and you have seen or observed that on the boxes of cardboards it is written, handle with care, it is brittle. Clear? Suppose a television is packed in a box and handle with care, it's brittle is written on the box. So what is the meaning of brittle? Easily to be broken. And if I say handle with care because it is easily to be broken, it is a long drawn sentence. But you can replace the long drawn sentence with a single word, that is brittle, easily to be broken. Brittle, brittle. As for example, your diamond ring is shining brilliantly. Your diamond ring is shining brilliantly. You may replace the group of words with a single word. Your diamond ring is radiant. Your diamond ring is radiant. R-A-D-I-A-N-T. Radiant. Clear? Another example. Suppose Marshy land. M-A-R-S-H-Y. Marshy land. A land with filth, a land with weeds, long grasses, etc. When Macbeth and Banquo were coming back from the battle after defeating their enemies of Norway, 3 witches came out of the heath, H-E-A-T-H, heath. Then what is the meaning of heath? Heath is Marshy land. So it's a single word. For example, a story. The name of the writer is not known. The name of the writer is not known. You may say that it is a story without the name of the writer. You may say it is an anonymous story. Anonymous, A-N-O-N-Y-M-O-U-S, anonymous. That means without any name. Anonymous story. It is a story with only animal characters and having a lesson. It is a story with only animal characters and with a lesson. You may say it is a fable, F-A-B-L-E, fable. For example, this is a very beautiful flower with a sweet smell. This is a very beautiful flower with a sweet smell. With a sweet smell may be replaced, it's a beautiful flower with fragrance. With fragrance, F-R-A-G-R-A-N-C. So I have given you these vocabularies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have given you 10 vocabularies and try to use them in your sentences while speaking. Try to use them while you are communicating something to your relations, to your friends, to your teachers, or when something is being written by you. Stay safe, stay well. Goodbye. And like, comment, share and subscribe too.